Hello my friends, wanted to bring you into the kitchen today to share something that we stumbled upon years ago and has become one of our family favorites. Before we get into making leek bacon, this is fit for vegetarians if you're vegetarian or vegan. Here's a little sampling of some of the other plants that we gathered when we were out looking for leeks. The quiz is to look at these and see A, how many you can identify, and B, of those you can identify, what are their edible uses or medicinal uses, or just practical uses. Share that in the comments. We are also going to post the answers down in the description, though we probably will not cover all the uses that you will come up with. These are the leaves of wild leek, and they are often discarded. People will pull these up, they're going after that bulb, and toss these aside. But for our family, we will often just gather one leaf off of each leek plant. It allows the plant to live and continue to propagate, and for us, this is the best part. I'm going to show you how this becomes such a delicious treat right now. We're going to begin with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to use a pretty big pan here because I have a family of 4 and everybody is going to want some. These disappear as quickly as I can make them. And we want medium-low heat. Don't rush these. Allow this to get a little bit warm. I can test it by putting a leaf down in there and seeing if it's bubbling at all. This isn't quite ready yet. Trying again. Alright, we're seeing it start to react there a little bit. Whoa, there it goes. I'm going to turn this down. Look at that bubble up. Let the air out of them. And then I want to just let these sit in that olive oil for a little while. We're looking for them to go translucent. See how that's becoming kind of translucent? Now this is on a little bit too hot actually. It's getting brown. That's not what I'm looking for. That's just too dark. So I'm looking for a slower cook. See that? How it's getting golden? That's what I'm looking for. And you've heard that Chinese proverb, governing a great nation is like cooking a small fish. Just don't mess with it too much or you'll spoil it. The same thing goes with these. If you are putting them in there and then trying to turn them a lot, they're often going to fold up and turn into a long string and you're not going to get that nice flat bacon. Now you can see here that translucentness. And this one's going to be okay. This part is going to be a little bit oniony, where this part is going to be just right. I'm going to let that cook a little bit longer on that side. Then I'm going to take these and I'm going to put it down on a plate. You can put it on some paper towel if you want. We're looking for that translucence again. And just like bacon, when I take it out, it's going to crisp up. You can hear it here. Yeah, it's gotten kind of crispy. Let it sit, crisp up. This one's very crispy. Probably just snap it in half there. That's what we're looking for. Now we are going to do a taste test and see if the girls like it. Because if you have a family, of course, kids have to like these kinds of things, right? All right, girls.
A little much oil.
I should have put it on a paper towel. Huh? Good.
always loved these.
Super crispy. It becomes sweet.
I've
It
always
still
loved
has-
these, haven't I,
You've
Dad?
always loved them. I will make these, and I cannot take them off the pan fast enough to keep up with you girls.
I know.
And there you go, empty plate. That tells you all you need to know. I'm gonna make up a bunch more for everybody, but that, my friends, is leek bacon. The dangers of it: if you cook it too high, then you're gonna see it turn dark right away, and then the flavor is not gonna be as sweet, and you're not gonna have as crispy of a texture. If you do it too light, not hot enough, and you don't get it all cooked, then there's going to be some parts that are a little bit more raw leek flavored rather than crispy.
The other danger is that your kids can eat it up so fast.
Yes, that is the other danger. They don't need any seasoning. You can eat them just right out of the pan. A paper towel is probably going to make more sense if you have that available right now. So that's going to let things drain out, and you're going to have more of the crisp and less of the oil. The other thing you can do with this that's really delicious is to make it, and then you can crumble it over the top of a pasta dish or stir fry. That flavor goes into almost anything savory and adds a nice crispy crunch, sweetness with that garlic onion flavor that wild leeks are known for. Tell me if you have found any wild leeks. If you have, what you're cooking with them, and if you tried leek bacon, let us know what you think. All right, my friends, love to you all. We'll talk with you soon.